Well, folks, I am going to go into this auto parts store and buy some new windshield wipers for Blueberry, my wife's Ford Edge. They're chattering quite a bit going across the windshield, so that tells me they're worn out. So, what do I do when I select windshield wipers? Well, let's go in the auto parts store and see what they're selling and see what's on sale. Yes, on sale or with discounts. Always something I look for. Let's see what they got. One for English. It's a 2011. Number 4, we're looking at a Ford. And number 6 is the Edge. And we're looking for driver's side first. And what do we got here? We have all sorts of choices that we can pick here. Depends, but we need a... What do we need? Trico 16 driver's side. So we do know they're all... Let's see what we got here. Trico seems to be a lot. They're the cheaper ones. But we got the more expensive ones too. But do we have any for sale? On sale. Anything on sale? Price cut. Save $10 when you buy 2 Trico premium wiper blades. So, let's go ahead and get the Neoform since they're on sale, it looks like. So we can save $10. Now we just need to know what we needed again. And I already lost my deal here, so we're going to start all over again. Oh no! Next. Number 4 for Ford. Number 6 for Edge. We want the driver's side. And we want the Neoform 16260, I guess, is what we want. So Neoform 16160. It says 260, don't it? This here says 160. So we gotta find a 16260. 16260, 26 inch. That's what we're looking for. 16260. So we got that one. Now we want to go back and we want to do the passenger side. So passenger side, as we got Neoform 16360. 16360 looks like. But see that, right? Neoform 16200, I guess. 16200. 16200. There you go. We got the 16200. I know, it takes a while. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm having a hard time. So, we can definitely see that it's a 16200. So, there you go, that's it. Let's go see what they have to say and pay the men. Belt wear tool. Is my belt good yet?
Okay.
Don't know. Looks like a comb, actually. Pick your fingernails with it.
Alright, so just these two.
Alright, yeah, I just wanted to verify. I didn't have my glasses, so I couldn't quite see that these are for the Ford Edge 2011. I'm hoping I read the numbers right.
I'll check for you. What year again?
2011?
Ford Edge.
I think I read the numbers right, but it's hard to see.
No, trust me, I have the same issue.
Not ours. Thanks.
These are on sale too, right? At least that's what the sign said, $10 off.
Yes. I had to remember. The other one, because I had to remember that this one's the rebate. The Rain X is on rebate.
Oh, okay. These are the sale.
Sport SLE SE.
It's a limited.
Limited.
But I'm pretty sure each one's different size, so I just wanted to verify that the size mark is what I needed.
It's a 26-inch blade and a 20.
There you go. I'm in the money then. Did I get a discount too?
For... Oh, yeah. Military discount?
Like a double discount today, isn't it?
Oh, speaking of that
can't get a discount on a discount?
I can't stack discounts.
Okay.
It's already on sale.
Okay.
I'll see if it'll let me go. Let's see. Let's see. Can I get a cell phone number?
319.
Oh.
Help, sir?
No, it did not.
Won't do it, huh?
No, sir.
I guess I'll just have to stick with the sale because it's probably worth more than what my military would have got me anyway, right?
It took off $10, and then if you didn't have $10 off and you took 10% off of that,
It'd been more.
This is more, yeah. So it's gonna be 36.
Do I do the chip or do I slide?
Chip.
Chip. There we go. Some of them go burr, burr, burr. Okay, it's approved.
It will. It'll. Like, if you stay in there too long, it'll be like,
It'll vibrate and announce that you're supposed to do that. Why can't you have me sign on there?
Oh, we're old.
You guys are wasting time. You're not caught up.
We just recently just got the chip scanners.
You still have me signing paper though.
Oh, you know, the written way is always the best way.
These are guaranteed not to wear out for at least 3 days?
Yes.
Okay.
I've had those blades on mine, and I didn't change them until winter came.
Yeah, they all wear out. But they're on sale, so that makes them even better, right? You too. Bye-bye. There you go. Windshield wipers for install when I get home. I'm not going to do it right out in here in the parking lot. I'm going to wait till I get home. Just going to load them up and head to the house. It's been a long day as it is. Well, as you all may have determined, the passenger side is shorter than the driver's side. So, you got to know that going in. And of course, this is a 20-inch. And this is a 26-inch. So, longer blade on the driver's side, shorter blade on the passenger side. If you marry it up there, it looks like it's the same one. You can go ahead and open the box, depending how difficult they make it. They're usually making these pretty easy to get into. This, of course, is the non-frame version. Okay, this is what they call beam. Well, they don't make this for the faint of heart, so anyway, there's a little notch right here you can pry into there, and then you can pop that open and get everything in there. and then you can just go ahead and insert your wiper blade easily enough into it, pull it, and then what it does is it locks it in so it can't pop out. Pretty simple. We'll do, of course, the next one, but hey, it does require a flat blade, small flat bladed screwdriver to get it open. So let's go ahead and look at this on the next one. Not quite toolless as they want to make it out to be. I couldn't get it open with my fingernails. But this one's got a protective sleeve on it. You just slide that off of there. The other one didn't. That's strange. But makes me wonder if I got a used one. Oh, it's brand new. It just didn't have a protective sleeve. So, well, as it all goes, this one doesn't have that little pry off doohickey, so it's just going to slide right on. Whereas the other one, you had to pry it open. So, different ones for different blades, I guess. Again, we just come on over here, and of course, you just take and pry that thing up to slide it off, like so. And it just slides right off, no problem. And then you just take and slide it up in the slot, push it forward, it clicks, and then boom. Bob's your brother, right? That's all it takes. So anyway, as you can see, beam type. If I look at it, it is bent over to one direction. So that causes them to skip. When they're bent over in one direction, it's hard for them to give the other way, and then they chatter across your windshield. So that's most of the reason. Plus the rubber gets dry and harder. It's not as supple, and it chatters because of that. But that's how you do your windshield wipers. Again, two different types apparently. One locks in and the other one really don't. But that's it. Remember, come over here, MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook, and join up on the group. It's ever growing, and we have all sorts of fun there, and we talk about repairs of the vehicles and share our experience to help make your experience better. Also YouTube, subscribe to that, subscribe to this channel, and of course ring that bell and make sure you get notifications of my new videos that I put out. And with all things being said, my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day. And of course, Mercy Girl's going to toss a couple of one-liners at you, along with some music that goes over some previous footage we may have omitted during editing. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.